So we're at the Ultra Broadband Forum in Frankfurt. I'm here with Andre from KPN, who has the great sounding job of looking at innovation in the fixed and mobile networks at KPN. So Andre, what's your particular focus at the moment? What's exciting you in your job at the moment?
Well, we have two main focuses. One is simplification and rationalization, so getting rid of all the stuff we invented in the past. And the other one is virtualization, software-defined networking and network function virtualization. There's a really exciting new technologies, and with these technologies also organizational change is evident.
Okay, so as you plan to introduce virtualization into the network, what are your starting points? What are the steps towards virtualization? Because I think a lot of operators are taking lots of different approaches.
Yeah, we are Dutch, so by nature we are down to earth. So we test everything.
Right.
So there's a lot of PowerPoint in the world.
Yes.
And
I think I've seen them all.
Yeah, we study them as well, and then we say, okay, this is interesting. Let's try this. And that's the exciting part, I think. So to try all kinds of new concepts, but our approach is very small steps. So for us, it's not a big bang scenario.
Sure.
It's an evolution. So we will try to evolve our networks into virtualized networks.
Okay. So the simplification process are you looking at all areas of the network at the same time, or are you starting at the access and then going to the metro and then to the core, or the other way around, or?
We already made huge steps in phasing out legacy. So for us, I think the past 5 years we put out more than 23 networks.
Okay.
ATM and stuff like that, X25. So we are now looking at fixed mobile convergence.
Okay.
So making sure that our services roam seamlessly over our networks for our customers. And that simplification step, I think, is a very good starting point for virtualization.
Okay. And the end goal, is this all working? Have you been given the task of working everything towards a 5G world where there's the opportunity to bring on board a lot of third-party applications and services as well?
We haven't decided yet. So 5G is fundamentally different than 4G. So it's not just
a concept more than a network.
It's not just the next generation. It's precisely what you say. It's more like a concept. And again, we are Dutch, so first we need to get a feel of what it actually can do. So we had some very interesting pilots in Groningen. That's a province in the Netherlands, where we test all kinds of stuff. So network slicing and latency timing, and it's very promising. But I'm not sure if the industry already grasps what the consequences of this new concept is.
Yes.
So small steps, we will get there.
Okay. And the ultimate goal for virtualization, is that to reduce CapEx and OpEx as well as create new revenue opportunities? Is that the business goal?
We always think from a customer perspective. So CapEx and OpEx is a consequence of something. So we like to serve our customers in the best possible way, from a quality perspective and also from what's helping them to grow. So virtualization is of course a nice side effect is cost TCO reduction, CAPEX, OPEX, but our main focus is always customers, and if it helps them to evolve their businesses to the next level, we will focus on that first.
Excellent. That's a good way to look at it. Customer experience, and work back from there.
Exactly.
Excellent. Andre, thank you very much for speaking to us today.
Thank you.